Marshall Woburn III Review. In the world of audio, Marshall stands as a name synonymous with quality and iconic design. Known for their legendary guitar amplifiers and audio equipment, Marshall has carved out a niche in the home audio market with their line of Bluetooth speakers. The Marshall Woburn III is one of their latest offerings, and it promises to deliver powerful sound and vintage aesthetics that pay homage to the brand's rock and roll heritage. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a design aficionado, or someone looking for a premium audio experience, this review will help you decide if the Marshall Woburn III is the right choice for you. Design and build quality. The Marshall Woburn III is a visual stunner, embodying the classic Marshall design that fans have come to love. Its aesthetic is a blend of vintage charm and modern sophistication. The speaker is encased in a sturdy wooden cabinet, wrapped in a textured vinyl covering that mimics the look of Marshall's iconic guitar amps. The front is adorned with the signature Marshall script logo and a gold-colored metal grille, giving it a distinct retro appeal. This design not only looks great, but also enhances the durability of the speaker, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The attention to detail in the Woburn III's design is remarkable. The top panel features brass control knobs for volume, bass, and treble, allowing users to fine-tune their audio experience. These knobs are reminiscent of the controls found on Marshall's amplifiers, providing a tactile and nostalgic feel. Additionally, the speaker includes a power switch that mimics the classic toggle switches used on vintage equipment. This blend of old-school design and modern functionality makes the Woburn III not just a speaker, but a statement piece that can complement any room's decor. Sound quality. The heart of any speaker is its sound quality, and the Marshall Woburn III does not disappoint. Equipped with two 1-inch tweeters and dual 5.25-inch woofers, this speaker delivers a sound that's both rich and powerful. The high-fidelity audio ensures that every note and beat is reproduced with stunning clarity, making it ideal for all types of music genres, from rock and jazz to classical and hip-hop. The bass response of the Woburn III is particularly noteworthy. Thanks to its bass reflex system, the speaker produces deep, thumping bass that can fill a room without overwhelming the other frequencies. The mids and highs are equally impressive, offering crisp vocals and detailed instrumentation. Whether you're listening to a complex orchestral piece or a bass-heavy rock track, the Woburn III handles it all with ease. Marshall has integrated advanced audio technology into the Woburn III to enhance its sound performance further. The speaker features Bluetooth 5.0 with Qualcomm aptX, which ensures high-quality wireless streaming with minimal loss of audio fidelity. This means you can enjoy your favorite tracks in their full glory without any compromise on sound quality. Additionally, the Woburn III comes with adjustable bass and treble controls, allowing you to fine-tune the sound to your preference. This customization is particularly useful for audiophiles who want to tailor their listening experience. Whether you prefer a bass-heavy sound or a more balanced audio profile, the Woburn III provides the flexibility to adjust the settings to suit your taste. Connectivity and features. The Marshall Woburn III offers a range of connectivity options to suit different needs. In addition to Bluetooth, it includes RCA and 3.5mm inputs, allowing you to connect a variety of devices, from turntables and CD players to smartphones and tablets. This versatility makes the Woburn III a central hub for all your audio equipment, providing seamless integration with your existing setup. The inclusion of multiple inputs is particularly advantageous for users who enjoy different audio sources. For instance, vinyl enthusiasts can connect their turntables via the RCA input, while those who prefer digital music can use the Bluetooth connection. This multifunctionality ensures that the Woburn III caters to a wide range of audio preferences and devices, making it a highly adaptable speaker. The Woburn III is equipped with several modern features that enhance its usability. One standout feature is the multi-host functionality, which allows you to connect two Bluetooth devices simultaneously. This makes it easy to switch between different music sources without the need to disconnect and reconnect each time. Whether you're sharing control with a friend or switching between your phone and tablet, this feature adds a layer of convenience to your listening experience. Another notable feature is the Woburn III's ability to remember the last connected device, simplifying the reconnection process. Additionally, the speaker has a built-in standby mode that conserves energy when not in use, automatically waking up when it detects an incoming signal. These thoughtful additions contribute to a more user-friendly experience, making the Woburn III a pleasure to use on a daily basis. Performance in real-world use. In a home entertainment setting, the Marshall Woburn III shines. Its powerful output and superior sound quality make it perfect for enhancing your movie nights and gaming sessions. The speaker's ability to reproduce deep bass and clear dialogues ensures an immersive experience, bringing your favorite movies and games to life. The adjustable bass and treble controls allow you to optimize the audio according to the content, whether it's an action-packed blockbuster or a quiet drama. The Woburn III's design also complements its performance in a home setting. Its vintage look adds a touch of elegance to any room, while its robust build quality ensures that it can handle high volumes without any distortion. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet evening at home, the Woburn III delivers consistent performance that enhances your overall entertainment experience. For professional use, such as in a music studio or a creative workspace, the Woburn III is equally impressive. Its high-fidelity sound makes it an excellent choice for audio professionals who require precise and accurate audio reproduction. The speaker's clarity and detail are essential for mixing and mastering music, allowing professionals to hear every nuance of their recordings. Moreover, the Woburn III's versatility and connectivity is a significant advantage in a professional environment. User experience. One of the standout aspects of the Marshall Woburn III is its ease of use. The speaker is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring intuitive controls and a straightforward setup process. The analog knobs for volume, bass, and treble are easy to adjust, providing tactile feedback that enhances the overall user experience. The Bluetooth pairing process is quick and hassle-free, allowing you to start enjoying your music without any delays. Additionally, the Woburn III comes with a user-friendly manual that provides clear instructions for setup and operation. The multi-host functionality and memory for the last connected device further simplify the user experience, making it easy to switch between different audio sources. These thoughtful design elements ensure that using the Woburn III is a seamless and enjoyable experience. Marshall offers excellent customer support and a solid warranty for the Woburn III, providing peace of mind for buyers. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day and I will see you in the next video. See you in the next